Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Notepad++ plugins that are not working in 2026. If a plugin is missing, not loading, or not working correctly, follow these simple steps. First, I'll open Notepad++. Now I'll click the Plugins menu from the top toolbar. From here, I'll select Plugins Admin. The Plugins Admin window contains the available and installed plugins. I'll go to the Installed tab to see the plugins currently installed in Notepad++. Now I'll find the plugin that is not working correctly. If an update option is available, I'll select the plugin and update it to the latest version. After the update is complete, I'll restart Notepad++ and check the plugin again. If the plugin still doesn't work, I can remove it and install it again. To do this, I'll open Plugins Admin again and select the problematic plugin. Then I'll choose the option to remove or uninstall the plugin. After removing it, I'll restart Notepad++. Now I'll open Plugins Admin one more time. This time, I'll go to the Available tab. I'll search for the plugin by its name. Once I find it, I'll select the plugin and click Install. Notepad++ may ask to restart the program. I'll allow it to restart. After Notepad++ opens again, I'll go back to the Plugins menu and check whether the plugin is now working correctly. If the plugin is still not working, make sure that your Notepad++ version and the plugin are compatible. You should also keep Notepad++ updated to the latest available version. In most cases, updating the plugin or removing and reinstalling it can solve common plugin problems. That's how you can fix Notepad++ plugins that are not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful software tutorials.